Hello everyone, today program 1 we'll be doing a test to remove dirt and some stains from an aggregate building. Program 1 not only does facade cleaning, sidewalks, storefronts and garages, but we do various tests on a lot of buildings to remove any stubborn stains and whatnot. Program 1 uses, the latest equipment and cleaning methods to provide high pressure cleaning that exceeds all customers or anybody's expectations, and our prices are always competitive with the other companies in our industry. Our employees are trained to always test a small or specific area, even during the bid process, to assure any detergents required will result in a finished product that meets customer expectations. We want to avoid any damage or discoloration to the building and its surroundings, so that's why we always do a test before we submit any proposals. So I'm going to get ready here to use our 3000 psi 175 degree hot water unit. We will be testing a small sample today. I'm not sure whether or not we're going to be using chemical or not, but for now we're just going to use straight water. Sometimes straight water removes any stains from the building, depending on what the stains are. So if we can avoid using chemicals, this will obviously lower your cost, and it'll be much more easier and less time consuming. So I'm going to get ready to go ahead and do a test, and we'll see you in a bit. Hello everyone, program 1 here. We're going to be doing the test on the aggregate building. We're going to be doing a sample here on this lower level. Hopefully you can see the results. I'm hoping to see the same. As you can see, it's starting to lighten up. We're using 3000 psi at 175 degrees. So that's 175 degrees of hot water. As you can see up there, it's pretty dirty. Once I get down here to the middle, you can see it's starting to get clean. I also did a sample here. You can probably tell a little bit more. This side's a little bit more dirtier. I'll clean the rest of the bottom here, and hopefully you can really tell the difference. Look at that. Big difference. Big difference. Good job, Sylvester.
All right.
As you can see, there's a big difference from the top side of this is dirty, the bottom side is clean. When doing power washing, you have to use the top of the line equipment in order to have these results. Some companies use smaller units. It's not that effective. So like I said, this is a 3000 psi and it's 175 degrees of hot water. No chemicals needed. Cost is less due to no chemicals needed. I'm gonna walk around the building now and submit a proposal. Again, program 1, doing a test on an aggregate wall in Oak Brook, Illinois.